Okay, so this is the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw. Here's what comes in the box. You get the tool, gloves, safety glasses, the charger cord, 2 chains, 2 batteries, and then tools and lubrication for the chainsaw. It comes in this awesome case so you can store it or transport it. Okay, so here's the safety guard, and then it also has another safety feature. You have to press that button and pull on the trigger for it to actually start, and then this is just a guard for your hand. This one has a 6-inch blade, and you've got the battery. You can just pop it off, pop it on, and we're ready to go.
So I'm really excited to use this. I actually just got done pruning a bunch of these branches off of my Vitex tree, and I used a reciprocating saw. So we're going to see if this thing beats that.
So this first one I did, and I wasn't holding the other side of the branch when I did it, so it shook the branch a lot and didn't get a good clean cut. This second one that I'm doing is a little bit bigger, and I went ahead and held on to it, and that got a way better cut. So the blade is 6 inches, so it will cut up to a 6-inch branch. You can see here that first one that I did not leave a clean cut. I'm going to have to go back and clean that up a little bit to make sure that's what it should look like. And the other one that I held on to got a way better cut, so I think if you hold on to it, you'll be good. So now what you can do is use that to cut up the branch that you just cut off to dispose of it more easily. So this was just super fast.
Okay, so this thing is powerful and it's so lightweight. You can use it with one arm. I really like this tool. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use it on any more of my Vitex branches because as you saw when I cut it, it didn't really leave that clean of a cut. You really want a clean cut on these very delicate trees like this. But for chopping up wood, cutting up firewood, cutting up branches that won't fit into your lawn cart, but using these to cut down branches was super easy. I would definitely recommend this product. You can get this from Amazon. I'll leave a link to this product in the description below. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.